How to remove watermark from a photo? Well, it's quite easy to remove any kind of watermark by using any third-party applications. For this video, we're going to use watermarkremover.io. So firstly, let's open up a web browser and search for watermarkremover.io. After that, you'll land on its website. Now you simply need to click on upload image, and you can select the image that you want to remove the watermark from. It already shows you the before and after picture right here. This will look exactly like this after the watermark has been removed. Now you can simply click on download image and the removed image will be downloaded. And there you go, you can see that the watermark now has been removed. So that's how easily you can remove watermarks from an image.